Hello everyone, welcome to Joy's World. How are you all? Today I'll be showing you some of the books which you should be using for your preschooler or toddler. And these are the books which I personally prefer and which I have been using for years in my own school and my play school, and with my own kids I have been using this, and these are excellent books for toddlers and playgroup and pre-nursery kids. So let's see some of these books. So the first book which I'll be showing you is my first 500 books. This you can use for your playgroup child or toddler. The best thing in this book is it has real pictures in it. There are no cartoon pictures. These are real pictures, so that the child has a better understanding of all the objects. And there are 500 birds in these books. Real pictures of fruits, real pictures of vegetables, so food. There are many things, transport, animals, the things which we use at home. So this is an excellent book for picture reading. I'll be giving you a link in the description box from where you can get this book, my first 500 words. Now another book which I'll be showing you is my first word, touch and feel. This has a feature in it which the child can touch and feel for, and this is excellent for sensory play activity as well, and recognition of some of the objects as well, and for touch. And children really love this. They again and again want to read this book. This is an amazing book for toddlers and for playgroup child. Very good book. And another book which I'll be showing you is for alphabets. There is no particular series or particular publication for this book. The feature which you should look for in a book for alphabets or numbers is it should has big pictures of objects in it. Like in this book they have given big pictures so that the child learns easily, and this is one of the best quality of this book for the alphabet. So they have a better recognition of alphabets and pictures related to it. So this is one of the very good book for alphabet and picture reading. So now I'll be showing you books for pre-nursery. When the child starts writing, you should first introduce with pattern writing. This is for pre-nursery. They have very good patterns drawn, standing lines, sleeping lines, and very interesting pictures are given, so the child enjoys it a lot. And they have better understanding of all the strokes while doing so. So whenever you start writing, you should first introduce this pattern writing book for your kid. And in this series they have this alphabet book, and they start with the alphabet from which the child should start writing. We have a picture related to the alphabet, then the writing, big alphabets have written, and the child has to trace it, and each letter has an activity. So this really makes this book very interesting one. There are many activities for all the alphabets. Another book in this series, they have a similar maths book which has all the numbers in it, and activity per number is given in the maths book. And this is environmental studies. They have activity per topic. Myself, my body, they have covered all the topic. Meet my family, good habits, my school, food, plants around us, fruits and vegetables. A very interactive book for learning. Body parts. So this is one of a very good book for pre-nursery kid. So these were some of the books which are very good for toddlers and playgroup and pre-nursery kids, and I'll be coming up with more videos showing which books you should use for nursery and kindergarten kids. And if you have any queries regarding which book you should select for your child, do comment in the comment box, and I'll be giving you link of all these books which I have shown in the description box, so that you can get these books online. And if do like my video and share it with others, and do subscribe to my channel. So happy learning, and bye for now.